Hey, how's it going, everybody? Lewis with Elite Fine Finish. Figured I'd pop on here today and talk about the different Renner primers. We get a lot of phone calls and questions about the different options we have for waterborne primers, and we want to dive right into it. So the primary questions we get asked are, what primers do you have? There's three primary primers that we sell and recommend on a daily basis, and I'm going to go through those with you. They're going to be our 1K production primer, which is the 1150.02. That's available in gallons and 5-gallon pails. The 1150.02 is an amazing production primer. It's very high build, it dries really quick, and it powder sands beautifully. If you're working on MDF, poplar, maple, something like that, and you need a affordable option that's high solids, this is a great choice. We convert a lot of end users that are using lacquer undercoater and oil-based primers over to this primer, and it does a really good job for them. Now, with our 1K primer, we also have a 1K blocking a 1K blocking refinish primer, which is our 083. Now, this is a really good primer. It's done a really good job at blocking tannins, and it's a slightly more cost-effective option than going with our mono bicomponent primer, simply because you don't have to add a catalyst. So this product is very high solid, dries very fast as well, and sands beautifully. If you're trying to fill grain or something like that, you can do multiple coats of this product, and it'll do a really good job of filling and building before your top coat. We do recommend that you allow this product to dry for 4 hours for maximum blocking ability. It's going to be dry to touch and dry to sand within an hour, so just try to avoid the urge to sand it. That way we make sure we lock in any tannin bleed or dye migration or anything like that that may occur. Okay, next up we have our mono bicomponent primer, which means this primer can actually be used as a 1K or a 2K product. So you can catalyze this product up to 10%. Once you catalyze it, it will add to the adhesion, and it will also block any tannin and dye migration that could occur. With that catalyst, it is going to speed up the drying time as well and make it a much more harder, durable finish, provide more moisture resistance and some of those things that might be important to you. A lot of our refinishers use this. We say this is our insurance, so to speak, and this is a very high solids primer. So if a lot of folks will ask about cost. These two products, what we always say is budget $100 per can. Now, what you'll notice is these cans are slightly taller than your traditional 1-gallon can. This is a 5-kilo can, so you are actually getting more than 1 single gallon. You're actually getting closer to 1 gallon and a quart. So if you're thinking about the price, we always say don't worry necessarily about the price of the bucket. Look at the application cost. Because these products are so high in solids, they're going to build really fast for you. What we find is most people do not need to add more than 2 coats in a refinish scenario, especially. Some of our refinishers are getting away with doing 1 catalyzed coat of the 643 or the 083, depending on the substrate. Same can be said for our 1150.02 primer. Again, it's very high build, fast dry, and you don't typically need to do more than 2 coats with this product. All right, guys, so I hope that explains some of the different product options that we sell here at Elite Fine Finish. We're always available for your tech support. Feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer any questions as long as we can earn your business. Our website is www.rennerproducts.com. Our phone number is 832-763-0726. If you're in the Houston area, please stop by our retail location. We're located in Northeast Houston and Humble area. 1715 Humble Place Drive. And we look forward to talking to you. Have a good day.